Assalamualaikum. Okay, today in this video I would like to show to you some of the basics in getting data by using Microsoft Excel. So first, I would like to show to you on how to insert this number automatically without insert it one by one. Usually it just insert it accordingly automatically, but if not, you can click here and choose field series. Okay, next I would like to show to you on how to calculate total, average, maximum value or maximum marks, and also minimum marks for this data. Okay, this one. Okay, so first to know the total, you click the cell where you want to put the value for that total, and then you go to formulas here and click sum. Then you highlight the for which data you want to know the total for the subject. Like here you want to know the sum for the total from the cell D6 to D10, and then you click enter. Okay, next for the other subject, you just drag this and copy it will copy the formula for that sum, and you can get the total for the other subject. And for average, you click here, choose average. Same, you highlight the cells and enter, and then drag this to know the average for the other subject. And for maximum mark, you choose max, which refers to maximum, and highlight the cell, enter, and drag this. Okay, next for minimum, you choose min, which refers to minimum, highlight the cells and enter, and then drag this. Okay, so this is the data you want to know. That's a basic one. Okay, to beautify this, like here you want to make it center, you choose merge and center, middle align, and also for marks, merge and center. Okay, and if you want to put all this data in center, you can put it in center, and put border by choose all borders. Okay, so you get this table. So that's all for me. Thank you.